Hi there, I'm Corinna Bench. I am the farmer's wife at Shared Legacy Farms, and you may be wondering if you're thinking about joining a CSA, will I be able to use all the stuff in my box? Will I know what to do with it? I mean, what if I open it up and there's this big head of radicchio and I don't even know how to say that word and much less know what to cook with it? So one of the things that we have designed for our CSA, which is an amazing feature, is something called the SL Farms Membership Academy. And this is an online library of video resources and tutorials, veggie ebooks with recipes and tips for how to store every vegetable. We have storage guides to help you know how to store your produce. We do cooking tutorials. We teach you all the primary vegetable exit strategies to learn how to use seasonal foods. And we even have a mini course for CSA rookies that teaches you in a little over an hour the main things that you need to know to succeed in your first year as a CSA member. So all of these resources are housed inside of our SL Farms Membership Academy, and this usually goes for $95 a year, but when you're a member, you get it for free. And so this is our way of coming behind you and trying to really help you get better and support you getting better at eating seasonally. And we also provide as a free feature membership into our private Facebook group for CSA members only. And this group is an amazing resource. In fact, we have a lot of people who don't do Facebook anywhere else except for this group. This is the one reason they still have a Facebook account. And inside there, people are sharing pictures and ideas of what to do with the box each week. It's very engaged. We have a community manager who's also a registered dietitian who shows up with a weekly tutorial of some sort. Plus, she does a live video unboxing every Tuesday of what's in the box, giving you tips for how to store, how to prepare, how to use the food. So we come alongside you and really try to help you with your questions so that if you are struggling and you want to get better at seasonal eating, but you don't know where to begin, or you're not sure what to do with this vegetable, or you hold up this thing in your box, you don't even know what it is, we're there to answer those questions and guide you. So if this is something that you need, I want you to know that our CSA provides it for you. In fact, we are one of the better CSAs in the country at really servicing and supporting our CSA members in education. Now, if you don't want to join our CSA, but you just want to get access to the Academy and the Facebook group, you can also just do that. That's just a product, a standalone product, a membership in the Academy. So you can learn more about that on our website at sharedlegacyfarms.com/academy. If this has sealed the deal and you're like, okay, they've got my back, they're going to help me learn how to use this food, I want you to go to sharedlegacyfarms.com and sign up for your box. You'll see a big orange button that's obvious to press to begin that registration process. Listen, I know how important it is to teach you how to use the food that I grow. It's not enough for me as a farmer just to hand you a bunch of veggies and say, good luck. I have learned over time that what our members need from us is support and how to use it. Now, it's going to take you probably a year or two to really get your groove and get comfortable. You should expect a learning curve. You're not going to be amazing at it the first year, but if you stick with it and you use the resources and the community support that we provide, you will definitely achieve this goal of becoming a seasonal eater and a foodie. I can't wait to be your guide. I hope you join us. SharedLegacyFarms.com is the place to go to sign up.